Today, I'll show you how to receive a payment from a customer in Bill.com. Whether you're managing a small business or handling finances for a larger enterprise, receiving payments efficiently is crucial. Bill.com offers a streamlined process to help you manage this with ease. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to take to ensure you're set up to receive payments smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section of your Bill.com account. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option, typically represented by a gear icon, and click on it. This is your control center, where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, you want to head over to the Bank Accounts section. This is where you'll manage the accounts through which you will receive payments. Once you're in the Bank Accounts section, you'll need to ensure that you have a bank account added. If you haven't already set one up, don't worry, it's a simple process. Look for an option that says Set up Bank Account and click on it. This will guide you through adding your business checking account. Now, you have two options to link your bank account: instant verification and manual entry. The instant verification method uses Plaid, a secure tool that connects to your bank account in just a few clicks. This is often the fastest way to get your account linked. Simply follow the prompts to log in with your bank credentials, and Plaid will handle the rest. If you prefer not to use Plaid, or if your bank isn't supported for instant verification, you can choose to enter your routing and account numbers manually. When entering these details, double-check for accuracy to avoid any setup issues. Once you've filled in the necessary information, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Keep in mind that manual verification might take a little longer, as it often involves confirming micro-deposits sent to your account. After your bank account is successfully linked, there's one more important step. You need to make sure the primary purpose layout for this account is set correctly. Since you're looking to receive payments, ensure that the purpose is set to receive payments, or both, if you plan on using the account for additional transactions. This will ensure that payments from customers are directed to the correct account without any hitches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your Bill.com account to efficiently receive payments from your customers. Remember, having a well-organized system in place not only helps you keep track of your finances, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your business operations. If you ever encounter any issues, the Bill.com support team is always available to assist you with any queries you might have. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and guides to help you navigate various business tools. Until next time, happy managing.